We're now going to go ahead and import our video. What I want you to do is open up a new Flash file, ensure you have ActionScript 3 selected, and select OK. And you'll notice that from your settings, your published settings, you'll have Flash Player 9 and ActionScript 3.0 as stated previously in my tutorial. What we're now going to do is go ahead and select File, Import Video. Now you'll notice a first dialog box. What we want to do here is we want to select and browse for our file which Flash will point to. So I'm just going to select Browse, and I'm going to select the clip that I want to work with. I'm going to select Open. I'm now going to hit the Next tab. The next thing you'll see is your dialog box, deployment dialog box, and we have 6 options. The first option is our progressive download from web server option. This option is fantastic as it converts our video file into an FLV file and links that to our Swift file. And this is progressive download, so what that means is when the user is watching our video, the end of the video is actually being loaded, and which the user is not seeing at that present time. So it's progressively loading in the background whilst the user is watching the first stages of the video. This is particularly useful for the end user. We've then got the second 2 options, which is stream from Flash Video Streaming Service and stream from Flash Media Server. These 2 options are only really viable for those who have a Flash Media Server. And we've got mobile device as well. This option is viable for those who wanting their video to be available on a mobile device. Now this option has been upgraded as well inside this version of Flash, and it will be continued to be upgraded in various Flash versions as more and more mobile devices support this format. We've then got the option of embedding video in the Swift and playing the timeline. Now the advantage of this is that it basically imports the whole video and you can see that inside the timeline inside Flash. Now the problems with that is it will not play progressively. It also gets out of sync with audio pretty quickly. So we're going to focus on these 2 options here, and I'll jump back to this option in later tutorials. When using this option, embed video in Swift, what you need to do is ensure that the video file itself is optimized to begin with and it's very small. I also recommend in the video not containing audio as they quickly become out of sync. At this stage I want you to click this first option, and for those who are wanting to use Flash simply just to convert into FLV, this is the most popular and by far the best option to begin with, depending on what you're trying to do and your end user. Once you've selected that, go ahead and select Next.